Okay, here we go.
I think she's recording at
This is
work.
just practice.
Oh. No.
It's like a robot.
Do you buy it on Best Buy?
I don't know, right? I didn't actually buy it. Okay, guys, we're just practicing. Okay.
Well,
All right, so we're talking about fractions. So, what do you have trouble with? Because, guys, okay, so here's the deal. November 21st is our next. Y'all are doing really well, first off. Y'all took the PSA and then y'all retook that retake test this morning or maybe yesterday, and y'all improved, right? I think you did. Do you know your grades?
I did. I got a 100.
You got 100, and on the first PSA it was like what, a 50 or something?
8%.
I can tell you. No, on the PSA, really?
I think so.
Okay, what about yourself?
PSA, I got 40 something.
Right, and what'd you get on the retake?
I didn't do the retake.
Yes, you did. Well, I shouldn't be with you. Then you should be taking it right now.
What retake?
The retake that we
The
took
5
yesterday.
questions. There's just 5.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
5 questions.
Oh, that one. Oh, I got 100.
Yeah.
I got an 80.
Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. You girls. I keep saying girls. You're Giselle, not Yezel, right? Yeah, you got it right. You're who? Giselle. Giselle. So Giselle, you got a 44, and then you made 100, and those were the same type of questions. So that's huge. Jasmine, what did you do? I don't have your grade. You got a 56. What did you do on the retake? You forgot, but did you do better? Like 100 or an 80-ish? Okay, tell Amy. Is it Amy? Amy, what about yourself?
Almost 80.
Yep. Yes. No, you got a 63 on the PSA, and then you got an 80. So what I'm saying to you ladies is we're talking about growth, and that's why we have our trackers. So you guys are, I say guys, but y'all know what I mean. You guys are getting it, okay? So now the next assessment is going to be on fractions. How do y'all feel about fractions? So the subtraction. Okay, so let's talk about that. Y'all are on number 5. I think you're all on number. What number are you on? 4.
I'm on number 5.
Why don't you get to number? Oh, you did a little bit of number 5. Okay, so let's read it. Could you read it for me, Giselle? We only have a. I want to make sure I get you back on time.
A package contains 3 types of bagels: plain, wheat, and sesame. The weight of the bagel is 1 2/3 pounds. The weight of the wheat bagel is 2 5/6 pounds. The total weight of the 3 types of bagels is 5 pounds. What is the weight of the sesame bagel?
Oh, okay. So we have to know the weight of this sesame bagel. Okay. So I like how you guys are already starting your Foursquare. So the weight of sesame bagel. Sesame bagel. Do y'all know what a sesame bagel is?
Yeah, it's like sesame seeds.
Yeah, it has a bagel with like seeds on it. Okay, so what do we know right now? We know that a package contains 3 types of bagels. We have plain, wheat, and sesame. The weight of the plain bagel is, so the plain one is how much?
1 2/3.
1 2/3. 1 2/3. Plain is 1 2/3. Okay, and then isn't that weird how it's like a robot? Sorry.
I'm scared of the camera. Oh no.
You want me to turn it off? This is just practice for me.
Oh, then no, you can keep it on.
Do you want to go up high? Jasmine, it's okay. No big deal. Yeah, it's recording. So this is to show your teacher how well we're doing in intervention. Okay, so 1 2/3. So what else do we have? The weight of the wheat bagel. So the wheat is 2 5/6, and the total weight. So then the total. Okay, I'm just now seeing this. So give me a minute. I'm going to put the plain is 1 2/3. The wheat is 2 5/6, and my total is so important, and that's 5 pounds. 5 pounds. Okay. So now, so what did I do now? I just put my answer statement and then I put the information. So now I'm going to draw a picture. And I'm going to draw it like this. I'm going to say my plane is 1 2/3. My wheat is 2 5/6. And my total, which it goes on the outside, or however Miss Villarreal tells you, is 5 pounds. Now you girls have seen this type of problem before. Our question is we want to know the sesame. So all I did was set it up. And you can set it up that way. That's the perfect way actually. Let me do it your way. The plane is it's smaller, so it's 1 2/3. The wheat is larger, so that's 2 5/6. And my total is 5 pounds, and I need to know my sesame. Okay, either one. So what operation do you know that we have to do to find out how much the sesame is?
Addition and subtraction.
We're going to have to add these two, and then once we get the answer,
We
we
subtract
subtract it from our total,
Yeah.
right? That's the easy part. So now, does that make sense, Melanie?
Yeah.
So to find this part, we have the
To
plane.
add those two,
We
and
have to
then,
add the plane and then subtract it from 5 pounds.
Yeah.
So now the part is, we haven't done any math, we just have figured out what to do by setting it up this way, okay? Yes, Amy? Okay, so everybody should look like, your paper should look something like this. If you want to do it, Giselle, like this, that is certainly fine. Or like this, whichever you want to do.
Did we copy it?
Yeah, well, you got to show your work, and this is how you show your work, so yeah. Spanish. Christopher is Spanish. What about Giselle? Is she absent today?
no, she's doing her test.
Ah,
No, sure, you understand, right?
She was in Ms. B's table. Wasn't
Oh,
she?
okay, keep
Yes.
going.
Yeah, she was.
Wait.
Okay, I'm going to turn this off while y'all are working, because we don't need to see y'all working.